Hi! In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Bookly with Google Calendar. Once connected, your staff members will be able to sync all their appointments with their Google Calendar. Bookly offers 3 Google Calendar synchronization modes. The one-way and two-way front-end only options are available in Bookly Pro. Full two-way sync is available with the Bookly Advanced Google Calendar add-on. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to connect Bookly to Google Calendar and enable the two-way front-end only synchronization mode in Bookly Pro. When this sync type is enabled, all updates in the staff member's schedule will automatically appear in Google Calendar. Events that were originally created in Google Calendar will not be copied or displayed in the Bookly calendar. However, Google Calendar events will still be taken into account when Bookly offers available time slots to clients in the booking form. So if there is an event in Google Calendar, the corresponding time slot will not be available for booking because Bookly will treat that time as busy. First, let's take a look at the Bookly settings. Open a staff member's profile and navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, you'll find the Google Calendar integration option. Click the Settings button and you'll be redirected to the Instructions page. Open Google Cloud Platform, then select an existing project or create a new one. In the left sidebar, click Library. Search for Google Calendar API and enable it. Next, select the OAuth consent screen and click Get Started to configure your credentials. Enter the required app and contact information, then click Create. On the next screen, click Create OAuth Client. In Application Type, select Web Application and enter a name. In the Authorized Redirect URIs field, paste the redirect URI you copied from the Bookly settings. Then click Create. Under OAuth 2.0 Client IDs, select your project to view the client ID and client secret. Copy these values and paste them into the Bookly menu under Settings, Google Calendar. Finally, go to the Staff Member section, select your employee, open the Advanced tab, and enable the connection to synchronize the staff member's appointments with Google Calendar. You can also configure how booking information will appear in Google Calendar. Use the available codes to create a template for the event description. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you found it helpful, give this video a like. Feel free to subscribe to our channel and check out the links in the description to learn more about Bookly. Have something to share? Let us know in the comments below. See you soon!